This is GrimFace. You don't need me to tell you who you are. You already know. You've walked through the fire. You've endured betrayal, hardship, and obstacles most people wouldn't survive. You've watched the world try to break you, to shape you into something smaller, weaker, more obedient. But through it all, you are still here. This message isn't about me. It never was. I've built many things in my life, businesses, ventures, ideas, but nothing has ever aligned with my mission the way this movement has. Not because of me, but because of the people who find their way here. People like you. The world is built to work against you. It is designed to test you, to strip you of your power, to convince you that you are insignificant. It will tell you to sit down, stay quiet, follow the crowd. But deep down, you've always known you were different. You've always felt it, like a fire burning beneath the surface. The world wants you to ignore that fire, to silence your instincts, to second-guess your own intuition. But you have never been one to kneel, and that is why you are here. Not because you need inspiration, not because you need someone to lead you, but because you recognize something familiar, a call to something greater. Nothing in this life is given. Everything must be earned. It doesn't matter who you pray to, or if you believe in anything at all. There is always a line, a separation between what is right and what is wrong, between what makes you stronger and what makes you weaker. Most people don't trust themselves enough to walk that line. They make excuses. They choose comfort. They avoid struggle. But not you. You are the exception. You have been beaten down, isolated, discarded, and overlooked. You have seen others take the easy way out while you chose the hard road. And yet, you continue forward. Why? Because you understand something they don't. True power isn't found in momentary pleasure, in short-term highs, in the approval of others. It is built in the darkness, in the suffering, in the struggle. Most people will never understand this. They will call you obsessed. They will call you extreme. They will tell you that you take life too seriously. Let them. Let them mock. Let them doubt. Let them continue to live in their comfortable illusions while you sharpen your mind, harden your resolve, and build something that cannot be taken away. This channel is not about me. It is not even about GrimFace. It is about you. You are the movement. You are the reason this exists. Your time, your most valuable resource, is what makes this real. Your discipline is what gives it meaning. Your presence here proves that there are still people out there who choose honor over convenience, mastery over mediocrity, and strength over weakness. And that means everything. I have been fortunate to build multiple successful ventures, and I did it by following 3 core principles. I am never afraid to try something new. I make every decision based on reality, not emotion. I'm never afraid to walk away from what isn't working. This is how you win. Not by waiting, not by hoping, but by acting. You throw yourself into the fire. You test yourself. You learn. You adapt. You refuse to stay in a place that does not serve your mission. And that is exactly what this movement is built for. Not for followers, not for spectators, for warriors, for those who refuse to stay trapped in the system, for those who will sacrifice comfort today for power tomorrow, for those who understand that true transformation begins within, and from there, it ripples out and changes everything. Because when individuals like you take control of themselves, the world has no choice but to change. You don't need permission. You don't need validation. Everything you need has been inside you this entire time. And now, it's time to use it. Not tomorrow. Not when things feel easier. Now, you have walked through the fire. Now it's time to rise from it. This is your movement, your war, your life, and no one will fight for it but you. Major thanks to the GrimFace Warriors. Let's continue on the path of love, honor, and commitment to a greater future.